Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. Now I know it's been a little bit since I've put out a video, but that's because I've been working on a new channel trailer and the 100th video because I definitely want it to be as amazing as possible for you guys. Already done recording it. Trust me, you're gonna want to see it. It's absolutely amazing. So that's why we've been doing that. And as you can see, I'm also on a really big table because we're kicking this channel up a notch. We're starting to grow a little bit. So you definitely want to hit that subscribe button, because I'm also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers and plenty more videos are coming out to you guys. Now today's product, what we've got is some Blindspot mirrors for your car. They just stick right on, I believe. They were on eBay for less than $1. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so it comes in pretty standard eBay packaging, the old white bubble wrap packaging. We're going to use the $1 coin size knife to open this bad boy up. You definitely check the review out for that knife. So what we've got here is two separately packaged Blindspot mirrors. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. They are well packaged, I'll give them that. For less than $1 you really cannot complain. So what we get is a little plastic piece here that obviously has a spot here for the adhesive tabs. You do get two adhesive tabs. And then we also get this piece here, which I believe clips right into that ball. So that way it does give you the option of swiveling your mirrors at a different angle to get the perfect blind spot view. That is very nice. And then it's also got the 3M tape here on the back. Nice adhesive there, so that way that'll stick right on there. Now it's nice that it does come with two of these bad boys to stick onto your mirror, so that way if one of them has any issues or whatever, you've got a backup. So that's basically how it's assembled. Let's go ahead and put these bad boys together. Now this is the hard part about 3M tape, is taking off the protective layer that keeps the adhesive from being exposed. But there we go. Oh, what? It comes off in layers? What? I don't see the point of it coming off like that, but it does. And we're going to go ahead and stick this bad boy right in the middle. As you can see, the mirror doesn't really have any scratches on it. I'll wipe it down. Yeah, they do come in pretty decent quality, guys. These mirrors are pretty nice. I'll give them that. And as you can see, that is definitely attached there. And then you've got your swivel. And when we get out to the car, we'll attach one of these bad boys and attach it right to the mirror. So let's get the other one assembled. Alright, so now we've got that assembled. We're going to go ahead and grab a couple of these adhesive tabs that go on the back and attach it to the mirror. We're going to go out to my car and attach these bad boys right on. So guys, we're going to start with the driver's side mirror. We've got our little blind spot mirror here, as you can see, very reflective. And we're going to grab one of these tabs. We're going to go ahead and peel off both ends. Peel off that end. We're going to stick it as centered on this thing as possible. And that's not too bad. Not perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. See, I'm going to go top, guys. You can choose whichever one you prefer. It really doesn't matter as long as you get this thing at the right angle so you can see your blind spots. Alright guys, as you can see, that stuck on very easily, and it's on there. It is definitely on there, and you can change the angle as such. You can have it point more up, more down. It's got a very wide range of angles it can do, so you'll definitely be able to get to the blind spot that you need to get to, and it's very reflective, just like your regular mirror, so it should work really nice for you. Alright guys, Now what's important is that you make sure you get your mirrors in the same spot in the corner. So I eyeballed it. If you want to be more precise, you could physically measure it with some sort of ruler or measuring tape. But I just eyeballed it because I think that's all I'm going to need. And then I'll go ahead and give that one a little bit of angle there, just so it's there. And you could always make your adjustments later to suit your blind spot needs. But as you can see, guys, plenty of range of motion. You'll definitely be able to get that blind spot and not have to worry about any accidents whatsoever, at least from that much. If you're speeding, then you know it's your fault. If you cut people off and you don't use a turn signal, guys, this blind spot mirror will not get you out of a ticket. So, but that's how it goes on. It's a really nice product. For less than $1, you really cannot beat it, and I definitely recommend it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video review of Blindspot mirrors for less than $1. Turned out to be pretty nice little products. I'm not sure how long they'll hold, but I'll keep you guys updated. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for lots of future videos, the giveaway, or the 100th video. This is video number 99, guys, so stay tuned for that. Have a great day, and don't get shot.